Now, so you see these Maraba boys, these CCW Maraba boys, there's just something about their intros and how they play their song. The intentionality in their music is crazy. Guys, check this out. This is smoking hot. I mean, very new. You're not going to hear them anywhere. Let's go.
Are we ready?
Let's go.
What sound is this?
Are you ready? 1, 2,
Hit me. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Can you put your hands together? Come on. People love your dance. Hey. Very simple. Listen, let's go. 247. Every day you run through for me.
My God.
I had no essence, I had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me. Hey, 247. Every day you come through for me. I had no essence, I had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me. Hey, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Hey, open the way. Open the way. Hey, open the way. Come on! Give them lots of time. This one says,